Morning. Let's hope you're all okay. All right, let me go straight to my normal account so that I could possibly look at a few pairs that we already talked about. Right, so I'm trying to log in to my normal account. I'm just leaving the VIX account, the RIV. Yeah, so basically, let me see. Where can I start from? Yeah, I analyze oil. Let's talk about oil first of all. US oil or UK oil. Yeah, these are the two categories of oil that I analyzed on Friday. And the analysis, I was to wait for confirmation to continue selling of oil towards the weekly swing low, which here we have the draw on liquidity. Yeah, here. So basically, on Friday, the oil weight was to see oil mitigating back this area of supply because we had already confirmed with a chalk that oil is again reversing so that it could continue with the sell. So price, as we see, is currently at that area of supply. For people like aggressive traders who took it, they put their sell limits here and their stop losses were put slightly above this area of supply. So as we see, oil has tapped our area of what? Supply. It has mitigated this order block. So now we're hoping to see a drop off, and this can take some time. But if there's some fundamentals in line with this price, it could really influence the drop of oil. Basically, I think the current fundamentals that we're having, besides from the OPEC increasing production with effect from the coming month, we still have the war talks between Trump and Putin and Zelensky, so that they can really call it off, so that they can, so basically this could really affect also US oil positively if the tensions or the war really comes to an end. Then I'm expecting also the oil prices to be normal, to drop. Yes. So oil confirmations, how to confirm. Further confirmations, you have to, from H4 aligns with 15 minutes. If you want to confirm, still you have to confirm with, again, some kind of displacement. If price taps in here, the H4, confirm with, again, with the chalk. When you confirm with the chalk, you have to make sure that price taps and displaces below, leaves a fair value gap or area of supply again. So this is the area of support which was left. This was support because we don't have any imbalance in between this area of supply. Price tap support. So we're hoping to see that price gets to drop. So this is oil. Oil is having a short setup. We already into a sell. So this is just a clean setup for sell. US oil and UK oil. It's the same. They just move the same. We on all oils, we essentially targeting the H4 swing low or the weekly draw on liquidity. So again, yesterday I talked about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin, according to what I saw on Bitcoin, this could have been a false breakout. To some, it could be a break of structure, because if you see candle bodies are closing above the significant level of liquidity, it could be a break of structure at some point, but it's not convincing to me. It's not convincing to me. To me, it literally seems to be a false breakout. False breakout is when there will be a serious liquidity purge after price takes out liquidity from that significant level. Then there are possibilities that it could reverse to the opposite side. So when I saw this, price swept the eyes, took buy side, came in and continued to break the internal, you understand, structures. So this was my chalk, as you see. After the chalk, this is H1, which means chalk is turning bearish. Yes. After chalk, I had to refine to 15 minutes. Remember, I did my refine at 15 minutes. I was waiting for price to mitigate back this area of what? Supply on 15 minutes. Again, now it's back. It has realigned back to the bearish mode. So I'm hoping to see that Bitcoin starts to drop. So when we're talking about the sell, at some point, this is an area of demand of which some, like including me, I would want to see price reacting off this demand. There's a possibility that price can react off this demand and still continues to buy. Yes, to break structures further, or there's possibility for price to continue breaking below. Understand? Yes, there's a possibility of price to make a deep pullback. This is actually the setups I'm still having in mind. I'm still thinking that that Bitcoin might give us a deep pullback before the bullish rally. So there are two options. Yes, area of demand, price respecting this demand and pushing higher. Yes, to call for a continuation of buying. And another is to see price of Bitcoin breaking this entire demand, significant demand, to push lower so that it could mitigate all these imbalances before going higher. So this is what I had for today. BTC, we are selling. You can see on 15 minutes, 15 minutes chalk, break of structure. So basically we could see 15 minutes order flow in play. So we selling BTC for now. Yeah, we're selling BTC for now. So your first target should be around this current demand. Yeah, if anything happens, yeah, we'll continue to see what next to do. So have a blessed Tuesday. Yeah, this is what I had today. Shep.